What's up YouTube, it is Mikey and today I'm going to be playing some mining simulator, so let's play. So guys, today I'm going to be aiming to get maybe 50 rebirths. That's my goal, to get 50 rebirths. Let's do it. I'm in Atlantis. I need to go down a lot. Wait, it was that, what? And I feel like it was like so OP, guys. Ancient stone, dips. This was like 91. Seriously, what? I think that might be enough for one rebirth. Dude, that could be enough for like, how much is it? Dude, I way enough. I could probably get 2 rebirths. Oh god. Seriously, crud. So Ryan is all I need. I'm also part of the group, so I'm making up the group backpack. Health shop. Equip. I so wanna go down there. Come on. Jump! Seriously. Bob. Yes, Shells. That's gonna take forever. Let's see who wins. Come on. Seriously? I'm just gonna go for anchors underneath it. I know for a fact. Dude. Just have insane mining speed. Like, insane mining speed. Seriously, I got 282,000, that'd be loads. Literal loads. Side tools. Teleporter. Okay. Going in. Just a range. Seriously. $18.10. What? Never about that. Suitcase mine in Starswood. Bubbles. Okay. You're kidding me. You're seriously kidding me. Oh wait, I might actually chance of being there. What? I got a million. Wait, what? Got a million. Spend that on a bigger backpack. No, you can still get quite a big backpack. 2,500 is still quite big. Agent stone, I did like 12 million. I'm honestly gonna change my pets. I've learned to literally hack pets. So the brown, I might equip the brown angel. Okay. Okay. Oh! No! Up. Sleep. I've got 4 million. I can get a big backpack. I'm just focused on the backpack because it won't take too long to use my ranch, so you could. Spam. Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Okay, so let me think. Right, so I have 41. I know I have 42 rebirths. I have no idea I'm gonna get 50 rebirths. Dude, yes, sweet. I should think that next 31 million I can actually get quite the backpack. I'll probably get like 65,000 on, which is big, of course. So let me. Oh, Christ, 70. Wow. Yay, ancient stone. Ancient stones. What me 80,312. That is actually quite. 171 million. Could I get the 300? I do get the 350,000 mark. Sure. Okay, let me think. Sweet. Zeus. Should I? Stranger, I just weird the sound of my laptop. Strange. Okay, let me go to that 50. I can just get one backpack 56 million. Seriously, oh my god. Dude, seriously, Ultra Hector's pretty cheap. 109. Well, pretty cheap. I've got this stuff. Come on. I might honestly I might change what I'm wearing. Current oil, what am I wearing? Cloaks, crimson and electric. I'm I'm going to wear that. Going to wear that. Wear what? No. No, I don't sell. Did I just sell? I'm good. Cyber the cybers. What do I look like? That's weird. I think I'm gonna take off my crimson. Wow, I'm just gonna not do that. Very good. Still. I am literally glowing. My head My head looks like a big fat potato. My head literally looks like a big fat potato. My head literally looks like a big fat potato. Actually, this was loads more. Yes, we're seriously, I got 2.1 mil. That was insane. Do I sound now? Do I have enough? What? cards. So I need to literally keep on going. Sorry guys, but I have to end the video now, so don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you want me to do another mining simulator video. See you all soon. Bye!